Hello guys, this is Steno for All YouTube channel. Here we provide you Hindi or English shorthand dictations at different speed. Today I am going to provide you English dictation at this. Get ready for 160 word per minute shorthand dictation. Start. A moment comes but rarely in history when a nation seizes control of its destiny, when the people of a nation move forward with confidence. It is fitting that this moment has come during the global novel coronavirus pandemic. Even as the world is reeling from the impact of the pandemic, India is recovering with fresh energy and making bold plans for the future. The pandemic began spreading around the world just a few months ago, yet it has plunged the global economy into its deepest economic contraction since the Great Depression of the 1930s. Trillions of dollars of economic output has been wiped out. Most countries will take years to return to pre-coronavirus levels, and billions of people are confronting a shrunken future. Calibrated measures. India has avoided this fate. The government of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has undertaken a series of decisive calibrated actions which include implementing a rapid lockdown to save lives, providing abundant relief to protect livelihood, and simultaneously positioning the economy for a strong revival through the Atmanirbhar Bharat policy package. On March 24, 2020, Mr. Modi announced a historic nationwide lockdown that was eventually lifted on June 1st. The national lockdown dramatically depended the disease's exponential growth rate and gave the country time to prepare. Without a lockdown, the cases of coronavirus would today be several times higher than now. More importantly, coronavirus fatalities would have been even higher since the case fatality rate has declined dramatically in the past few months. Lockdown was essential. A terrible human tragedy was swiftly and decisively averted. During the lockdown, the nation got ready to face the pandemic. Every citizen learned the value of masks and mask wearing, social distancing, and hand washing. Hospital beds, intensive care units, ventilators, oxygen cylinders, personal protective equipment kits, and N95 masks were procured in vast quantities and supplied to every district. COVID-19 care and quarantine centers were established in every block. Testing capacity increased from thousands per day to almost a million per day. Testing labs are now available in 80-90% of all districts. Extraordinary medical advances have also happened in the past few months. Several drugs have proven to be efficacious. Treatment protocols are now widely available, and many vaccine candidates are now in the final stages of testing. The national lockdown has thus saved lakhs of lives. Along with livelihoods have also been saved through bold action. Soon after the lockdown was announced, the Prime Minister announced the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, a massive relief package for the needy. Through this program, around 80 crore fellow citizens are being provided rations through the public distribution system. This has saved their money and put cash in their pockets. Over 20 crore Jan Dhan women account holders have received rupees 30,654 crore directly into their bank accounts. Around 2.3 crore construction workers have got rupees 4,313 crore, while 2.8 crore beneficiaries in the National Social Assistance Program have received rupees 2,815 crore. The rural economy, which supports 60-70% of India's population and accounts for 46% of GDP, is surging. The excellent Rabi harvest has resulted in over rupees 75,000 crore in farmer payments by the government. Almost 10 crore farmers have received rupees 40,000 crore as income support through the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Over 4 crore households are benefiting from the expanded Mahatma Gandhi Employment Guarantee Act scheme. Thus, the rural economy has received over rupees 2 lakh crore of cash directly into beneficiary accounts just from the central government. State governments have run their own relief programs as well. These massive cash payments have driven rural confidence, with consumer goods, motorcycle and tractor purchases at or above pre-pandemic levels now. RBI and policy actions. Micro, small and medium enterprises (MSMEs) and large corporates have also been provided substantial relief through coordinated action between the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) and the government. Compliance, filings and tax payments were extended by several months. Borrowers received a loan moratorium of 6 months. Moreover, the RBI has cut rates by 115 bps and pumped in more than rupees 9 lakh crore in liquidity into the financial system. Rupees 3 lakh crore have been made available as guaranteed collateral free loans for MSME borrowers, with close to half of that being sanctioned already. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, Small Industries Development Bank of India, National Housing Bank, and non-banking financial companies have all been provided refinancing facilities. The RBI has undertaken vast long-term repo operations to bring down the yield curve. As a result of all these policy actions, credit markets have stabilized, credit is available, and spreads have come down to normal levels. With the loan moratorium coming to an end on August 31st, the RBI has now announced a one-time restructuring scheme to provide relief to stressed sectors. Borrowers will be able to restructure their loans to match their cash flows. Dictation has completed. I hope you will like this dictation.